Hello sa mga kasipa! Hello, this time nakabisita tayo kay Velocity. At ito nag-bike check tayo ng isang bike nila doon and the bike goes with the name of Toseek Navigator XC. Okay? XC so XC bike. This is an XC bike and check natin and always let's start with its frame. And for its frame, it's it's a Navigator XC. Yan. Yung frame niya, kita-kita yung pagkakaporma. At para may familiar na bundok dun, ako kung nakita niyo yun. Hindi ko alam kung same maker sila ni Mountain Peak. Parang, ewan ko lang naman, hindi ko lang sure. Wala na yung confirmation na if ever na same ng maker sila ni Mountain Peak. So, pati yung texture ng para may pagka Mountain Peak yun. Hindi ko lang sure. Bakit tatanong natin minsan. So, for its availability, may silang size na yan. Okay? Mayroon pang parang support doon. So, chain stay, seat stay, and yung tire clearance para makita nyo yung sa mga gusto pa magpalapad ng tires dyan. Mamaya, check natin yung size ng tire. Okay? And that's all for the frame. Another would be the fork. For its fork is an alloy 6061 fork, same as the frame. It's a rigid fork na QR. Okay, ito yung kanyang fork. Ayan, tapahid para makita niyo yung fork. Parang ang ganda ng pagkakataba ng fork. Para mas mataba sa fork ko na muso. Ayan. Thirdly would be the cockpit. It has a Logan hydraulic brakes and a Toseek na cockpit, alloy cockpit na Toseek din. Ang handlebar is around 700 mm of width at Toseek din ang kanya handlebar, seat post and saddle. Next would be the drivetrain. For its drivetrain is an hollow 34 teeth and 170 yung crank arm length and a sag knit sprocket at 12 speed. Okay? And YBN chain pala siya. And for the tires and rims, it has a ganda ng Chao na tan wall 27.5 by ano nga ba yun? 27.5 by 2.1. So, yun. Tan wall. So, bagay naman sa kanyang kulay. Ang ganda. So, ito ba? Next would be, the hub is an alloy disc na 36 holes. Wala siyang brand ako nakita. Wala akong nakita. And lastly, the rotors and calipers. It has 160 mm of rotor and hydraulic brakes nga na Logan. Okay? So another pitek of the bike. So, this is available kay Velocity Bike Shop at pwede ang utang sa kanila. You can choose your option by 9, 12, 15, and 18 until 24 months na hulugan. They accept different payments options like GCash or syempre cash, bank transfer and credit installment. And I heard lately na pwede na sila kanila sa cash shallow. So again, this will be all for now mga kasipa, and hope to see you on the next video.
Bye-bye!